Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another Gemini Jets unboxing that I just got in the mail today. This is an airline that I have not received in model form yet. This is the Qantas Airlines 787-9 Dreamliner. I've always wanted to get a Qantas model, and now here's my first one. So this plane in here actually operates one of the longest flights that you can take today, from Perth to London Heathrow Airport, which takes about 17 hours, I think, or 18 hours or something like that. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. There we go. So there's the plane. Take it out of the back too. Alright, very cool. It's all white with red, obviously. So it says Boeing 787-9, 1 to 400 scale. This box is coming open here. This was released last year in 2017, and shows the plane right there, Gemini Jets, whatnot. And obviously, there's the plane right there, and the specifications. You guys can pause it if you want to, but without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get right into the unboxing. Wow, that looks so nice. So of course, we got the very familiar 787 nose, and we also have the nose cone detail, and we have the landing gear, the main door with the One World logo, as Qantas is part of the One World Alliance. We have the Qantas new titles. They're kind of a different font than they were before. The older font was a little bit bolder. Obviously we have the antennas, some of the beacon lights. It says Spirit of Australia. We have the engines with the sort of spikes on the back. Looking in, there's some of the details of the engine. The wing details are also very, very nice. You can see some of the flaps and slats details. Right back here it says Dreamliner with the third door here. And the registration here, Victor Hotel, Quebec Alpha November, with the Australian flag next to it, and the rear door. And of course the iconic Qantas tail with the kangaroo on it. And then if we look on the bottom, it says Qantas, like the Delta planes say Delta. And then of course it says Gemini Jets. Landing gear does roll. That's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I've actually got another Qantas plane coming in the mail. I ordered a Herpa Wings Qantas model, and I was actually sent the wrong plane, so I had to send it back, and they're going to send me the correct plane in the next couple days. Nonetheless, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, and I'll see you later.